All right, so here's a quick tour of my house, or at least the beginning stages of it. Coming in the back door right now, which actually won't even be the back door pretty soon. It's all framed in right now. You can see over here, that's gonna be my office. This is the first level. You'll have a guest bedroom there, and then a guest bath in the center. This area right here is going to be wide open from down this end all the way down there. That actually back wall where you see is actually going to be blown out, and this whole open area is going to be kitchen, living room, dining room. You have an area right here where you can see we're actually going to be putting in a staircase going up to the second level. And then around this area right here is a pantry, and then the staircase leading down to the lower level. Upstairs, we're gonna have one master bedroom, 2 kids' bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then downstairs a playroom and another bathroom. This has been it's been a long time coming. This is something my wife and I have been talking about for years. It's finally happening. It's very exciting. We're still, like I said, still in the beginning stages. We're probably, 3 to 4 months out from moving in and getting in here. But it's exciting. It's been a goal of ours. It's been something that we've been pursuing for a little while. So what are your goals? My wife and I had, or have a goal of building our own home, and we're in the midst of doing that now. That's not something that happened overnight. We've been working on that goal for 5 years now, or close to 5 years now. It's something that we've been thinking about, planning, working with the architect, saving up money, looking at other opportunities, and determined that this was the best opportunity for us. The point being is, what are your goals? Things don't happen overnight, and they just don't happen by chance. You have to put things on paper. You have to determine where you want to be at a given point. It's 5 years down the road. Is it 10 years down the road? Most people don't do that. Most people just live day to day. They just wake up, it's the new year. I'm going to work really hard for a few months. It's the new me. That just doesn't work. You have to be able to determine, you have to be able to sit back today and say, where do I want to be 5 years out? Do I want to save up a certain amount of money? Do I want to purchase purchase my own home, or build my own home, or start my own business, or whatever it may be? You can accomplish that. You just put it down on paper. And what we do on a regular basis, we say, here's where we want to be 5 years from now. 5 years, if we know where we want to be in 5 years, and there are certain things certain markers that we're going to have to hit 4 years out, 3 years out, 2 years out, and then this year, by the end of this year as well. So if I know where I want to be 5 years, 4 years from now, 3 years from now, 2 and 1, then I know what I need to do this year. I know what I need to do to accomplish each month to get me where I want to be at the end of this year, to get me to where I want to be at the end of 5 years. And if I know what I want to do this year, then I know what I need to do this month and this week to get to my goals. And it becomes more systematic business plan for yourself. You're treating it like a business. You're treating your life, your personal, your health goals, your financial goals, the things that you want to accomplish, you're treating it like a business. And that's the way you should break it down. So, what are your goals? I believe, anything is possible. You can achieve anything that you want to do. Just most people just don't get there because they, hard work is great, but it takes a little bit more than hard work. It takes a little bit of strategic planning and putting those things in place. So what are your goals? What are you trying to accomplish this year? Put them down on paper. Tell a friend, tell your spouse, tell somebody to hold you to it, and then go after it.
Thanks for watching our video. Did you find this information useful? If so, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. I would also encourage you to share this video with your friends and your family. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.